Hi, Laura from IQVIA here. We're hearing a lot about the challenges of staying ahead of the constantly changing and complex regulatory environment. We get it. So we built the IQVIA RIM Smart Global Regulatory Information Management System to make it simpler and more efficient to stay in compliance across the complete product lifecycle. Built on leading technologies and powered by artificial intelligence, RIM Smart is your single source for regulatory intelligence and information management. This system seamlessly connects regulatory, safety, and quality platforms to provide access to the right information, enabling rapid, accurate response and proactive planning. And since the system is cloud-based, it scales to meet your needs. Use RIM Smart integrated modules like comprehensive publishing and content management only when and where you need them, globally or in specific markets, and with no additional capital costs. By simplifying, automating, and connecting regulatory processes, your team can focus on delivering valuable products to market and keeping them there. Transform compliance from a cost center to an opportunity for innovation with IQVIA RIM Smart Regulatory Information Management System. Click right here to find out more.